So we got Wagyu beef that's about to meet the Wagyu of pork, and the result is gonna be amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a gourmet Iberico hash with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. So now it's time to prepare all the ingredients. One of my favorite Iberico cuts is the secreto. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. We're gonna trim off some of the excess fat, and now you can really see the tremendous intramuscular marbling of this cut. We gotta dice it into medium-sized cubes, and then we can set it aside. We also have an Australian Wagyu tenderloin that we're gonna do the same thing with. We're also gonna rinse and dice 5 potatoes. We're gonna put these in a pan, cover them with water, season with salt, bring it up to a simmer, and then cook for 7 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, we're gonna mix 1 cup of demi-glace with 2 tablespoons of HK sauce. We also wanna finely dice some parsley. All the ingredients are ready, so let's get cooking. When the potatoes are ready, we're gonna oil a pan, and then we're gonna fry them until they have a nice crusty surface. Then we can set them aside. Next, we're gonna add the diced Wagyu beef and the diced Iberico secretos to the pan, and it smells absolutely amazing in the kitchen right now. This looks phenomenal. You want to cook this until you have a nice sear on both the pork and the beef, and you get an inner temperature of about 135. Then we're going to add the potatoes to the hash as well. We're going to place some eggs in a water bath set at 167 degrees. Then we're going to sous vide cook these for 14 minutes. We want to plate this by adding some sauce on a plate. Then we want to scoop the hash on top. We are gonna add some crispy shallots to the hash, and then we need to garnish with the chopped parsley. We're gonna place the poached egg on top of the hash, and we wanna season this with some black lava salt. Then this earthy, hearty, flavorful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my gourmet Iberico hash with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Come on. Yeah. Wow. The flavor of this is absolutely amazing. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.